Having a good skincare routine is something which everyone needs. So today I'll be sharing with you all how to get that beautiful Korean glass skin. Now I like to first use a hydrating cleanser followed by a toner. I also see to it that I apply a good sheet mask which is hydrating so that I get that extra hydration and glow. I also like to massage it on my face for 2 to 3 minutes, so that it penetrates into my skin well, and then I like to apply a hydrating gel to get that extra hydration and that glass skin like finish. And finally, I like to take a vitamin C cream to get rid of any kind of dark spots and blemishes which I have. All the products are available on Cossouq.com. Don't forget to check it out. Bye bye.